In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus Notion Ultimate Productivity Battle. By the end, you'll understand what each platform is built to do, how their AI features can streamline your workflow, and how to think about choosing the one that fits your team's needs. I'll walk through what makes each tool compelling, add context around the problem they're trying to solve, and share practical considerations to help you get real value, not just another app on your desktop. Let's start with the challenge both tools are tackling: work sprawl. This is the phenomenon where tasks, conversations, files, and decisions get scattered across different apps and contexts, and a huge percentage of work gets lost in the shuffle. ClickUp frames this directly, aiming to be the software to replace all software, designed to save money and time while driving what they call infinite productivity. The idea is to bring projects, communication, and insights together so you can focus on outcomes, not app switching. If you've ever felt like your to-dos live in one place, your notes in another, and your deliverables somewhere else, this is the pain point they're addressing. At the core of ClickUp is ClickUp Brain, a 24/7 intelligent assistant that stays available across your workspace. It's built to deliver ambient answers, manage projects alongside you, and speed up input with AI talk-to-text, so you can capture thoughts up to 4 times faster. The benefit here isn't just convenience. It's reduced friction when you're moving from idea to action, or when you're updating tasks on the fly. If your team has recurring stand-ups, status updates, or brainstorms that need to be recorded quickly and clearly, a feature like this can make those minutes far more efficient. ClickUp also focuses heavily on specialized AI agents designed for different departments. Project management agents track deliverables so dates and dependencies don't slip. Marketing agents draft copy, helping you get from outline to message faster. Software agents aim to produce quality code, and additional agents manage operations tasks, optimize the employee experience, and cut down on tedious check-ins. The underlying promise is to close the strategy to execution gap by automating routine work and surfacing what matters when it matters. Backing that up, ClickUp cites a 384% return on investment, massive time savings across organizations, and payback in less than 6 months. It's an enterprise-grade platform trusted by millions of teams and aligned with global security standards like SOC2 and GDPR, which is an important point if your organization operates under strict compliance requirements. The boldest claim is time back, saving 6 to 7 days every week by consolidating and automating work. Now let's look at Notion. Notion positions itself as the workspace where teams and AI agents capture knowledge, find answers, and automate projects to eliminate busy work. Think of it as a single canvas for your pages, databases, and docs, enhanced by AI to make what you've already documented more actionable. With Notion 3.0, a Notion agent can collaborate with your team, searching all your pages, files, and even the web to surface exactly what you need in the moment. If you rely on a rich knowledge base and want that knowledge to be discoverable without digging, this is a strong fit. It means your meeting notes, roadmaps, onboarding guides, and research can become a living system that answers questions and connects dots for you. Notion is also recognized for its AI writing capabilities, ranked highly on industry lists, and used broadly across large enterprises and fast-growing startups. It's trusted by a significant share of major companies to handle use cases ranging from brainstorming roadmaps to onboarding new hires, which tells you it's not just for solo note-taking. You can get started for free, which lowers the barrier to trying it with a small team or a specific project. And with Notion Mail and Notion Calendar, you can keep your inbox, scheduling, and tasks in one place, so planning, writing, and coordination live together instead of across separate tools. When your day depends on jumping between communications and task management, This consolidation helps you stay aligned without copying information from app to app. Here's how to think about the difference in focus. ClickUp leans into execution at scale, with AI agents tailored to functions like project management, marketing, software, and operations. It emphasizes structure, tracking, and automation to push work forward and reduce status overhead. Notion leans into knowledge, creativity, and discoverability, with an AI agent that makes your pages and files work harder and a strong foundation for writing, documentation, and orchestration of projects. Both bring AI to the forefront, but one centers on driving deliverables across departments, while the other centers on making information instantly useful and connected. If you're evaluating which to use, anchor your decision in the kind of work you do most. If your core challenge is orchestrating complex deliverables across teams and keeping stakeholders aligned with minimal check-ins, ClickUp's departmental agents and project focus may deliver the clearest gains. If your challenge is turning scattered notes, documents, and ideas into a single source of truth that can power writing, onboarding, and research, Notion's agent and unified workspace may feel more natural. Security, scale, and the level of AI assistance you need should also factor in. Compliance requirements like SOC2 and GDPR are explicitly addressed by ClickUp, while Notion's credibility shows in its adoption across major companies and its highly rated AI writing experience. Whichever path you choose, start with a real project, not a blank test. Let the AI features take on the routine tasks and observe how your team's time shifts. Measure what changes in your updates, your handoffs, and your speed from idea to outcome. The best tool is the one that removes the most friction from the work you do every day. If you found value in today's video, hit that like button, drop a note in the comments, and subscribe to our channel.